Assalamu alaikum. Today's video is for the Palestinians who are being martyred in Gaza. As you all know that the Israelis continue to bomb the Palestinian in Gaza. There are many airstrikes that destroy the homes of Palestinians. Among those who are martyred because of the Israeli bombing, more than 3,000 are innocent children. In their TikTok videos, the Israeli social media influencers are callously making fun of the Palestinian mothers who have lost their children. The Palestinians are still in high spirits. Despite losing their home, the valiant Palestinians praise the God. They perform salah on the rubble of their destroyed homes. May Allah protect them. Please pray for the Palestinians. Allah Hafiz.